Creating worlds is a complicated matter, no doubt about it. But what if there was a recipe for creating beautiful universes? Epic or calm, actions or magic wonderlands? How to visualize a story that would hold the viewer? Well, the good news is there are steps that we can follow in order to create a good visual language for an imaginary world. The same as there are steps for creating a singular character concept or an environment concept or an illustration. There are ways to understand such a matter as art direction. In this course, I'm going to show you those steps, from level 1, vague ideas, to the level, the visual language of the new imaginary world. In the course, we will go through all of them: idea, genre, style, color, composition, shapes, dynamic, development. Slowly and steadily, I'll show you how to build the visual language of a new imaginary world, adjust to your specific purposes, and control it. How to be art directors of the stories, for the projects of clients or for your own personal projects. How to rule the show and show the show that will hold the viewer. All you need in this course is a desire to create, an idea, and access to the internet. No Photoshops, Blenders or Wacom. And yeah, of course, as your instructor, let me introduce myself. I'm Maria Gorbachev, and usually you can find me as Meredith. From 2017, I'm working in the entertainment industry for a lot of different projects, from hyper-realistic to the super stylized ones. As a lot of artists, I started my career as a concept artist, and slowly advanced by the stairs of visual development and building the worlds. I worked for games, movies, and animations for companies from Asia to Europe and America. And now I'm here to share my knowledge with you. Welcome to the full guide for visualization of a story. It's time to create.